How to create WordPress custom login page by WP Forms. Having a custom login page is a great way to replace the generic WordPress login and add your own branding. In this video, we'll show you the easy way to create a completely custom login page for your business site. Okay, let's get started by installing the custom login page plugin. Step 1. The first thing you'll need to do is install and activate the WP Forms plugin. To make a login form, you'll need WP Forms Pro or higher. Once you've installed WP Forms plugin, go to WP Forms menu and click WP Forms add-ons sub-menu. Scroll down until you find the user registration add-on. Click on the button to install it. Now, we're all set. Let's make our new custom login form. Step 2. Go to WP Forms and click Add New to start. On the setup screen, name your form at the top. Now scroll down and select the user login form template. You'll see the form open up in the form builder. The custom login form is already set up, so we don't need to add any fields. Now let's add a link so that users can easily recover their password. Step 3. The login form looks great as it is, but we'll need to add a forgot password link. Otherwise, visitors who forget their login details will get stuck on the login page. To do this, we are going to customize the password field. We are going to add a link in the description here so that it displays right underneath the field. Click on the password field to start in the description and paste this code here. That's it. The smart tag will be replaced with the forgotten password link when we publish the form. Go ahead and click Save to save your login form so far. Step 4. In this step, we'll look at the login form settings. This will let us control the button on the form and the page that our visitors will be redirected to. Start by clicking Settings on the left-hand side of the form builder. The settings will open on the General tab. Scroll down to Submit button text and change this to say Login. We also changed the Submit button processing text so that the user can see the login is in progress. You can type something else here if you want to. Below this, you'll notice some more settings. You'll want to check that these 3 checkboxes are selected. Enable anti-spam protection. This will use a smart form token to prevent logins from bots. Disable storing entry information in WordPress. We don't need to store these form submissions in the WordPress database. Hide the form if the user is already logged in. If a user's logged in already, it would be confusing to show the login form again. This setting lets us easily hide it. You can customize the other settings if you want to. Finally, let's click Confirmations. Great. Take time to review the other settings and make any changes you want to make. Then click Save at the top of the form builder. Step 5. Now we are ready to publish your new login form. You can embed your custom login form anywhere on your site, including pages, posts, in the sidebar or in the footer. Click Create New Page. And now give your page a name. Once that's done, click Let's Go. Then, just click the Publish button to publish your custom login page. That's it. Your custom WordPress login page is live and ready to use. Remember, you'll need to log out of WordPress to see your finished form. If you're logged in, you won't see the login screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more updates related to WP Forms tutorials.